Mm, I ain't tryna, I ain't tryna, I ain't tryna.
Someone that you want to punch in the face. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I'll hit you with a metal bar. Push you off a plane so high, laugh at you while you're falling in the sky. A lot of people don't like you. Don't worry, I'm one of them too. Gentlemen, and today we're going to discuss everything wrong with Sleeping Beauty. We're going to be talking about how much of a pervert the prince is. Technically, Sleeping Beauty did not give Prince Philip the consent to kiss her. That is harassment on another level. Sleeping Beauty also clearly didn't go to school because for some reason, her genius brains decided to touch a sharp object. How stupid can you be? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. A sharp needle. A potential threat. Let's touch it. Okay, now here is the worst part. Princess Aurora is the same age as me, 16 years old, right? And guess how old Prince Philip is? He's 20! The man is trying to catch a case. FBI, open up! Lock up the house! Okay, then there's another stupid part. If only true love can break the spell that was put on Sleeping Beauty, why did it work with Prince Philip? They knew each other in the movie for like 10 minutes. Why couldn't it have been her father? Does her dad not love her?
So I have a question for all the meat eaters. Hashtag we love thick and juicy meat. So if we eat chicken breasts, does that mean we're eating chicken boobs? I didn't even know chickens had boobies.
Jojo Siwa, we have a problem. I really want a sparkly unicorn t-shirt, but this is the biggest size that they come in. The kids at school would love if their coach showed up in a JoJo shirt. How do I get a big boy size? Thanks, bye.
Finish the song, Casey. Look at me and what do you see? Intelligence behind compare. But inside I'm stirring, something strange is occurring. It's a secret I need to share. Oh, free deep, way down deep. Hip-hop is my passion, Sharp family. I love to pop and lock and jam and break.
Is that